going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here the question is asking construct the small signal equivalent model. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, we have to calculate IC and also transconductance and also R5, because when we transfer this one we are going to have those things. So let's go ahead and calculate them one by one. Now first I'm going to calculate IC. To calculate IC, first I start with this equation: VCC minus IB times RB. Here RB is 100k ohm, so I put 100 times 10 to the power of 3, and VBE. There are two equations we have to know. Here our purpose is to find IC, because IB is not necessarily known, so we are going to find out IC. IB can be replaced with IC over beta, and 100 times 10 to the power of 3, and VBE can be replaced with VT times ln of IC over IS. Now we have all the other value except IC. We have everything available. We have IS available. IS available right here, and also we have VT is a constant value, and beta is 100. VCC is 2.5. Okay, let's go ahead and replace that one with those values. So this is going to be 2.5 minus IC over beta is 100. So I put it in the denominator, 100 times 10 to the power of 3. And VT is equal to 26 times 10 to the power of minus 3. And then ln of IC over IS. IS is 6 times 10 to the power of minus 16. 10 to the power of minus 16. Okay, so here our purpose is to find IC. IC is equivalent to 1.754 milliampere, and this is our IC value. Now the next thing is we are going to calculate transconductance. The equation for the transconductance is IC over VT. Okay, IC is 1.754 milliampere. 1.754 milliampere divided by VT, that is 26 milliampere. So millivoltage, 26 millivoltage, milli cancels. Finally we will end up with 67.5 millisiemens. Okay, 67.5 millisiemens. That's our GM transconductance. Now next thing is we are going to find out R5. R5 is equal to beta over GM. Beta is 100 divided by 67.5 millisiemens. That's going to be 1.48 kilo ohm. Now we have all the values. We just have to draw the circuit. The equivalent circuit model of this one is going to look like this. Let's draw it right here. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now here we will have a resistance, and also here we will have another resistance. Here we will have a current source, another resistance right here. Resistance, and here we will have another resistance R5, and the voltage across this one is V5. And here we will have a current source, that is GMV5, and then here we will have a resistance, that is 500 ohm, and that is the equivalent model of the given circuit. And that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electronics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.